Garage Door Repair. Oak Park Ill can do garage door repairs and installations. We could easily replace any existing garage door with a brand new one. We will provide you with multiple options on potential replacements for your personal current garage door, after which subsequently change it for you within the span of some hours. We are also able to work with homeowners which are investing in their first garage door, and might troubleshoot garage door problems within minutes. We also charge affordable prices for both installations and repairs, making our business one of many top choices in this area.